Bro, like being a Zulu person must be like a subject in school or something, bro. Like these people are just different. These people are just different, bro. It needs to be a subject, bro. You must learn to be Zulu, bro. Like you must learn to be Zulu, bro. Like for real, for real. Like the lifestyle and everything. I understand there is a subject where you learn of like to speak and whatnot, but the lifestyle that they are bringing now is just different. So it's crazy, bro. It's crazy, bro. You must learn like to how to be Zulu, the different aspect that a Zulu person bring and all that, bro.